Hi, I'm Mary Sue Wolf.
And I'm Derek Webb.
Welcome to Wolf and Webb YouTube.
That's right. So, for this video, we are going to cover the 7 steps to take to prepare your house to sell in the new year.
We're going to talk about the 7 steps to prepare your home and how to sell it in the new year. And it's already ticking by. If you don't finish these 7, don't worry. You can always go to our website or our YouTube and we'll have the rest finished for you as well. Each one is really important.
So number 1, decide on your listing date. Now, why would that matter?
Well, you know why? It's a great motivator. Nothing happens unless you actually set a target to make something occur.
That's true. Mm-hmm. Think about why you would want to move by such and such time, what's going on, maybe the school year, other kind of important dates, stuff like that, right?
Job promotion.
Job promotion, yeah, we love those.
We'll think positive. Okay, number 2, of course, the most obvious, is hire a really awesome realtor. Mm-hmm. Somebody where you have clear, concise communication and you feel like you're able to reach out and ask any question at any time.
Because you want to talk about number 1.
Plus, we have reams of data, information, and contacts we'd be happy to share with you.
Absolutely.
To help get your house ready to sell.
Okay, so number 3, my favorite topic. Not really, but give your house a deep clean. It's just going to feel good, right?
That's a good point.
How do you feel about cleaning?
Well, and something as simple as cleaning your windows and the window sills. You would be amazed how much dirt gathers in the windowsill after the winter months. And how about cleaning your rugs? Bring a professional. It doesn't have to be all your job. You can bring a professional rug cleaner in and spruce up your furniture and your rugs.
We got people.
Yeah, we do have people.
Yeah.
Number 4. This is so important to me. Get rid of the clutter. Decluttering feels good, as you were saying.
Oh, yeah.
But most importantly, it makes it really spacious in your home. Did you notice how it felt like after your holiday decorations went down, all of a sudden your house feels bigger? Because that stuff's back out of the way. But decluttering is a fabulous way to get started. And if you're looking for where to start, try your closets, cabinets, and garage when it warms up.
And even your countertops, maybe.
Oh, that's true.
I mean, don't they kind of become a catch-all sometimes, you know?
Yeah.
How many times have we been doing a photo shoot at a home, and the homeowner is there with us, and they're getting ready to sell, and we get done moving things around for photos, and they go,
yeah.
Oh my gosh! Like, why didn't? Where were you? You know, when I moved in, right? You know,
that's true.
So anyway, it's a big deal.
So declutter, get it, make it more spacious, feel better. Number 5, make the needed repairs and updates. Something simple as a leaky faucet that doesn't cost a fortune, but yet sends a clear message to the buyer: my house has been maintained carefully.
They see that leaky faucet and they go, what else maybe should I be paying attention to?
Exactly.
And
what else?
And it's just buyer perception. It may not be true, but that's where they're going.
An organized home is a very excited selling point.
That's right. Okay, so number 6, legitimately my personal favorite,
actually,
the outside.
Mine too. I think that's great.
So number 6, spruce up that curb appeal. So I tell sellers, I mean, again, like we said at the beginning of the video, you get one chance to have a first impression, right? That buyer's going to park in the driveway, maybe, or the street, right? They're going to walk up that front step. Maybe you never walk up that front step because you park in the garage and come in the garage door. They're going to see that front door. They're going to see that front porch. They're going to see all of that before they ever see your gorgeous, Tiffany lamp collection or whatever you have going on.
That is your first impression.
Right? Yeah, so
absolutely right.
So it is a big deal. You got to at least get them in the front door to get that, beautiful foyer you have or whatever is going on that you've worked so hard on.
That's true.
So,
and it's an easy one. It doesn't require much.
It usually doesn't. Just some thought, maybe a trip to Lowe's or something.
A wreath on the door. Something that's welcoming, and each house is unique.
Yep, exactly. And again, I enjoy showing up at the house and helping with that piece of it. It's just an objective opinion.
And a trusty doormat that says welcome.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, bake some cookies. Or is that just for us?
That's for us too. Okay.
Number 7. Do you want to take this one?
Staging. Stage it to sell. You'd be amazed what feng shui or just moving some pieces of furniture can do. Opening up the curtains. My goal, whenever I'm in a house, is to say, make sure your blinds are open, your curtains are open, bring the sunshine in. Let the view be all the way out as far as it can be.
That's right. Yeah, so light, maybe something you normally have closed needs to open. Maybe you have a living room that's made for that fun entertainment thing, but you really need to remove that one love seat that everyone's going to trip over when they walk through your house for a showing.
Yep.
So yeah, stuff like that. Don't stage it for living necessarily. Stage it for showings, right?
Exactly.
Would you agree?
Totally.
Yeah.
And let the light shine in. That's where the cookies are important.
Yes, and cookies. Always a plus.
Kidding aside on that note, this is important. I had this happen recently. The buyer had a love for candles, and she put so many, she burned so many. The very first showing, people came through thinking she was disguising something. So there is
I remember that.
Do you remember that?
Yeah,
so there
like,
is a balance of what you can do and can't do, but balance is good, and first impressions matter.
Mm-hmm. That's right. Any other final thoughts on any of these?
No, I think we got a good start here.
Cool.
But we have a lot of other good tips, and we just don't want to share right now. Give us a call. We'll do it in person.
All right. Till next time. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.